The 2025 BMW X6, which is now in its sixth year of production, is still a slope-roofed SUV that replaces the conventionally shaped X5 SUV. In exchange for a more rakish, though still divisive A profile, the X6 loses some cargo capacity and rear passenger headroom. Following BMW's lead, the inside boasts a 12.3-inch infotainment screen as the focal point and a suite of contemporary technology features combined with elegant, high-quality materials and stylish design. In the xDrive 40i grade, a dynamic 375 horsepower turbocharged inline-6 powers the vehicle, while the more powerful M60i gets a 523 horsepower twin-turbo V8 engine. All-wheel drive is standard, and an 8-speed automatic transmission transfers power from both engines to the tarmac. If 523 horsepower isn't quite enough, the BMW X6M, which we review separately, offers 617 horsepower with a chassis that is incredibly sharp. Although the X6 had a significant role in the development of the upscale, crossover coupe A segment, it is no longer the only vehicle competing for the same customers with the Porsche Cayenne Coupe and Mercedes-Benz GLA Class Coupe. What's new for 2025? The 2025 X6 receives a significant facelift for 2024 along with a few minor tech upgrades. As part of the Driving Assistance professional package, the X6 now comes equipped with BMW's Highway Assistant hands-free driving assistance. The system will incorporate active lane change with eye activation, which starts the lane change by glancing at the appropriate rearview mirror, starting with cars manufactured in March 2024 or later. X6M won't be able to access it. We'll report back on this new system's performance after we put it through its paces. The My BMW app will have keyless capability thanks to the integration of BMW's Comfort Access with the BMW Digital Key Plus, which unlocks the doors as you approach and modifies the sitting and steering wheel configurations to the driver's desire. Numerous upgrades, such as improved map view and routing, are also available for BMW Maps navigation and the My BMW app system. In an effort to raise interest in and knowledge about its EV models among gas-powered BMW owners, the app now has an e-mobility analysis feature that analyzes driver behavior and suggests the best BMW EV model for the driver to trade in when they're ready for a new EV. Pricing and which one to buy. The 2025 BMW X6 ranges in price from $75,675 to $95,475 based on the trim and extras. The 523 horsepower X6 M60i may have louder exhaust and faster acceleration, but we don't think those features justify the enormous price difference. BMW's smooth inline 6-cylinder engines have a long history of outperforming their peers in terms of performance, and the X6 xDrive 40i's 3.0-liter turbocharged engine offers plenty of power for almost $20,000 less. We would go for the M Sport option, which comes with a sportier suspension, an improved exhaust system, a sleeker body kit and external decor, and a special steering wheel. Engine, transmission, and performance. The 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 engine of the X6 xDrive 40i generates 375 horsepower and is mated to an 8-speed automated transmission with all-wheel drive. It is part of a 48-volt hybrid system. The M60i's all-wheel drive system and gearbox are the same, but its 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 produces 523 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. Even more startling is the fact that the X6M, which is faster and boasts up to 617 horsepower, is reviewed here. Even so, the regular 6-cylinder engine is incredibly smooth and quick. Additionally, both the X6 xDrive 40i and M60i come equipped with standard adaptive dampers and 20 to 22-inch wheels. The V8-powered X6 impressed us with its stopping power and cornering grip throughout our test. Its suspension was never harsh, even if it is firmer than the 6-cylinder X6 setup we examined. Its quiet cabin and hefty adjustable steering were particularly appreciated when traveling at a leisurely pace. 0 to 60 miles per hour times. In 2020, we evaluated the most recent X6 xDrive 40i, and it reached 60 miles per hour in 4.7 seconds, a decent time for an SUV. This variant should be even faster now that it has 40 more horsepower. With its 523 horsepower twin-turbo V8 engine, the X6 M60i knocked nearly a full second off that record, reaching 60 miles per hour in only 3.8 seconds. Towing and payload capacity. In a class where pulling capabilities is frequently not given much thought, the X6 offers an exceptional towing capacity. The maximum weight that the X6 can tow when equipped with the optional towing equipment is 7,200 pounds. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The 2025 X6 fuel mileage estimates from the EPA remain the same. The EPA forecasts that the X6 xDrive 40i will get 23 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. When upgrading to the M60i xDrive, which has a twin-turbo V8 engine, efficiency reduces to 17 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon freeway. On C/D's 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route, the xDrive 40i exceeded its EPA estimate by 3 miles per gallon and returned a pleasing 29 miles per gallon. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The interior of the X6 closely resembles that of the majority of the current BMW series. This implies that the dashboard is dominated by two sizable 12.3-inch digital screens and is filled with high-end materials and soft-touch surfaces. Although the instrument panel has a sleek appearance, we would prefer a more traditional presentation of the gauges. The optional head-up display is very simple to operate. The remaining switchgear has likewise been thoughtfully arranged. The gesture controls on the BMW, which allow you to wave your hand in front of the infotainment screen to adjust the volume of the audio, are present but not essential. Additionally, there are several standard features available, such as heated front cushions, programmable ambient lighting, 16-way power-adjustable front seats, and passive entry. Even while the rear seat can accommodate 2 adults comfortably, it has less headroom and legroom than the boxier X5, by roughly 2 and 3 inches, respectively. Similarly, the space of cargo behind the back seats is smaller in the X6. It could only fit 9 carry-on bags in our test, the X5 could fit 11. Infotainment and connectivity. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included in the 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system as standard. Although the company's xDrive interface responds quickly and has clear graphics, some of the tiered menus can be confusing. BMW provides features including Wi-Fi hotspot, improved USB ports, wireless charging, and integrated navigation. An even more expensive Bowers & Wilkins stereo or a high-end Harman/Kardon audio, which comes standard on the M60i, are options for upgrading the X6. Safety and driver assistance features. The BMW X6 is available with a plethora of standard and optional driver assistance technology. For more information about the X6 crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety (IIHS) websites. Key safety features include standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, standard blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert, available adaptive cruise control with a hands-free driving mode. Thanks for watching.